today I will be showing Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys what's in my travel makeup bags. So I have two right here. Here are mainly my makeup, tapos dito yung mga skincare ko. So yep, I will show you guys later a close-up of the stuff that I have inside. But I will talk about my makeup bags first. This first one I got for Forever 21 and it's just a really nice pastel colors makeup bag. It has roses all over it, tapos meron siyang stripes, mint green na ganap na ganon. And it's not that big. It looks big when I hold it like that, but it's not that big. It's just the perfect size for my makeup. As you guys can see, super full niya. Like so, but yeah, I'm gonna show you later what's inside. The second one is this one. This is from Bello, as you guys can see, and for me this is just perfect kasi ang dami mong malalagay dito sa makeup bag na to. Like it's full like that. I will go ahead and show you guys a close-up of all the stuff that I have inside these bags. And yes, I'm gonna start with this one right here. Again, nandito lahat ng aking mga makeup. So pag open mo, ganyan ang kanyang itsura sa loob. Very organized. Organized siya ngayon kasi katatapos ko lang siyang i-pack, but so inside I have actually 3 powders, but I'm gonna start with this one first. I have the Revlon Nearly Naked powder. This is in the shade medium. I decided to bring this kasi alam ko na magiging tan ako ng bonggang-bongga. I was gonna bring just one powder, but then again, siguro magiging tan ako, so I decided to bring that one. The next powder I'm bringing is the Intuit Oil Control and Oil-Free Face Powder. Third powder I have in here is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. Hindi kasi ako nagdala ng foundation or BB cream, CC cream. So mga powders lang. That's why I have 3. I actually do not need 3. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna bring my MAC. Okay, I'm just gonna bring this to you guys. Okay, final na. And then next one is my BYS Brow Definition Kit. And then for the blush, I am bringing my Avon Ideal Luminous Blush. I know chakang-chaka na siya, but this is my favorite blush as well. Of course, I need to bring my MAC Small Kabuki Brush kasi meron siyang pouch. And it's just perfect. So that is going to be my powder brush. I have my BYS Contour Trio. So I have here the blush, highlight, and contour. You know what? Since I already have this blush, I'm not gonna bring the Avon. Okay, I'm not gonna bring the Avon. I'm just gonna bring this. My gosh. Okay. See, I'm doing good. I'm packing very, very light. And then, of course, I need to bring my Gatsby Oil Clear Sheet. That's a necessity for me. And then for the mascara, I'm only bringing one mascara. And of course, I need to bring the best. It's the Eye of Oris Goddess Mascara. That's my favorite. Sa brushes, I'm bringing one blush brush. This is the MAC 187 SE brush. It's a stippling brush. Of course, I need to bring a brush guard. The brush guards are from Pretty Angel shop, you guys. It's very useful. Then I have 2 brushes right here for my eyebrows. I have a Marino brush, double-ended brush. I use only the spoolie for this one. I don't really use this side right here. And then this one is what I use for my brows, the MAC 212 SE brush. I just cannot live without this brush. The rest are lipsticks, you guys. I know I have a lot, but I just couldn't decide. So I have how many? 2, 4, 6, 8 freaking lipsticks. Ever Belena liquid lipstick in the shade Pink Pearl. I have a review on this. I really like it, and I need to bring a pink lipstick, so I chose to bring that. Oh my gosh, this is another pink lipstick. This is from Rimmel. This is the Show Off Lip Lacquer, and they're both pink. My goodness, what am I gonna bring? I'm gonna go with my Rimmel. Oh my gosh, bye Ever Belena. And then I'm bringing with me my Color Show lipsticks because you guys know these are my favorites. This one is in Plum Perfect, and then this one is in Nude Mocha. Paborito ko lang talagang dalawang yan, so hindi ko sila maiwan. And then here, I have my Ever Belena Toast of New York. I'm also bringing with me my Fashion 21 lipstick in All Day Bronze. I also did a review on this. I have 2 left in here. You know what? I don't really need these. Okay, I'm not gonna bring this one. I'm gonna bring my Revlon Color Stay Ultimate Suede lipstick in Fashionista. And those are all the makeup that I am bringing with with me. Onto this guy right here. I have my toiletries and then my skincare products. So, right there. I first have my toothbrush. This is from Oral-B. Ito yung ultra thin. Gustong-gusto ko yung toothbrush na yan. And then for my lotion, I'm bringing Skin White Advanced Whitening Lotion. Meron namang lotion yung mga hotel. Kaya lang kadalasan hindi ko bet yung lotion nila. Tapos ito may SPF 20. And then I'm also bringing my Nivea Sun Protect Moisture with SPF 50 as my sunscreen. Of course, my, wow, Nivea din. Deodorant. And then my contact lenses solution. Actually, it's 120 ml pero tinanggal ko yung tag para hindi nila makita kasi you're only supposed to bring 100 ml. Hindi na nila yan mapapansin, o diba? And then I'm bringing these, baka sakali lang naman, diba? Bongga. And then I have here my mouthwash, my Garnier Light Brightening Eye Roll-On. I use this every single day, so I need to bring that. Ito din, part na ng skincare routine ko, ang aking lip balm. So sa mga nagtatanong ko ano lip balm gamit ko, it's the Tokyo Milk Dark Lip Balm. So yan yung gamit ko. And then I have here my eyelash curler. This one is from Etude House. And then I also need to bring this kasi as you guys know, hindi ako nagsha-shampoo. I usually do not like the conditioners na meron sa mga hotels. So nagdala na ako ng tatlo. My skincare products. Obviously, I can't forget my Eye White Aqua Moisturizer. So I'm bringing 2 sachets. And then my face sunscreen. This is from Koji-san. I actually haven't tried this before. We'll see. But it has SPF 50. So I decided to get that. And perfect kasi sachet din siya. And then I'm also taking with me my Eye White 2-Minute Whitening Miracle. Isang sachet lang kasi I do it 3 times a week lang. And then my facial wash. I'm bringing my Eye White Whitening Vital Facial Wash. And then I'm also bringing with me my Sassy Nail Polish Remover. This one works really good, you guys, and perfect siya for traveling. Speaking of nails, I'm bringing this OMG nail polish in the shade Cloud. This is what I have on my toes right now. Just in case mag-chip yung toes ko or even my fingers, kapag nag-chip sila, I'm just gonna replace it with this color right here. This is the Bobbi Quick Dry, kind of like oil thingy. Kailangan na kailangan ko siya para mag-dry ng mabilis yung nails ko if I decided to replace it. My hand cream, of course, I can't forget my hand cream. Meron ako dito, tapos meron din akong isa nasa bag ko. So yeah, malapit na ito maubos. Tapos yung isa malapit na rin maubos. So I decided to just bring 2. And then this one is the Lancome. Actually, I'm not gonna bring this. I got this from my Beauty MNL purchase. It's a free sample. Pero yeah, hindi ko yan dadalhin. Lastly, in here is my Travelo. Nandito yung Hilfiger na perfume ko. Meron siyang packet dito sa gilid. I only have there my hair tie. So yeah. And then here, walang laman. Right here, sa taas, I have this. Ito yung sabon. Just in case hindi ko magustuhan yung sabon sa hotel, I have my Koji-san. Dalawang slices. Dalawang slices! And then I'm also bringing a razor. And then I have here extra pair of contact lenses just in case something happens to my other pair. So yeah, and that's basically it, you guys. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you did, subscribe if you're not yet already. I'm doing my best to upload videos every single day for you guys. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye guys!